So if you want to ask more than 2 or 1, you can say hite bangza man a. You can just add te, alright? Hite bangza man a. Alright, so the next phrase is very short. Hitele, alright? Hitele. You are asking different products or different things. Okay, so hibangza, and then you can ask the other hitebangza, and then hitele. Alright. So some might just answer zani. Some might just answer short, very short. They might say just the price zani zanga zago. Okay, zani 200 zanga 500. Okay, zago 600. Okay, so but some shopkeeper, they will answer like this. Zani here is 200. Kajang zatum ni jang zanga. It means if you buy 1 is 300, and if you buy 2 is 500. Okay, if 500. Okay, the next phrase is bangza deina. Okay, this means how many do you want, how much do you want, or how many do you want, and then you will say the amount. All right. Okay, so these are the common phrases, the useful phrases when it comes to shopping. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you wanna know, if you wanna learn some more phrases, just comment and request for it. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something from this video. See you in the next video. I'm Tang, and bye bye.